Disclaimer: everything we are about to demonstrate today is purely for educational purposes. Using these techniques without explicit permission is not only unethical but illegal. We are learning these methods to understand how hackers think and how to defend against them. All our demonstration today will be performed in a controlled laboratory environment using virtual devices that we own and control. So viewers, in this video, we are going to learn how hackers hack your Wi-Fi. The method we are going to use in this video is WPS attack, one of the most dangerous attack hackers use to hack your Wi-Fi. So without wasting your valuable time, let's jump directly into the video. Firstly, open Google Play Store. Search WPS app. Click on the WPS app. Install it. Note that this app only works in Android version below 9. Refresh the app. Click on Connect with PIN option. In my case, I am disconnecting my own Wi-Fi. Wait for few minutes. Yes guys, now my Wi-Fi is connected, so I am cancelling it. Once again reminding you, hacking without permission is illegal. Second part, how to protect yourself from this attack. So, how to turn off WPS? Firstly, open Google Chrome and go to your Wi-Fi's login page. Click on the login page. You can see wireless settings option. Click on the wireless settings option. You can see that Wi-Fi schedule and WPS. Click on WPS disable option. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, stay ethical.